Theta United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The really current exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is at $15,653,155 in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization truly is buy and buy esteemed at 75 cents bull control. Theta's most certainly current cost activities in a really significant manner. 02 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on some things, facts. What certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Theta organization, for the most part, is Theta a very wise venture? Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Theta specialized examination, in a real sense, let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, showing how Theta organization fundamentally is buy and buy esteemed at 75 cents. Bull control Theta's extremely current cost activities, or so they generally thought. The kind of absolute exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $24,077,659,794, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in a huge manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, which truly is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.51%. Coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, showing that the by and large all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $24,077,659,794 in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, generally is up by 1.54, and right now exchanging at 48 cents. Exhibiting that however prior to plunging essentially profound into the Theta specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the truly current economic situations in an especially large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, essentially further appearance. How while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, showing that the genuinely complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $24,077,659,794 in an in every practical sense enormous way. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market generally is going in a truly descending heading for sort of momentary in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a sort of broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to, for the most part, distinguish exceptionally key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, showing that the very complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $24,077,659,794. Or so they by and large thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers by and large become most certainly something else in every way that really matters, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how Theta United States dollar medium-term support certainly remained at 92 cents in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants for the most part become move commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense higher in an extremely large way. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, really is at 75 cents, up 0.22% in the very beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 3.3% throughout the week in a genuinely enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 15,653,155.00 United States dollars. While sort of all out, market cap came to $746,468,498 United States dollars, and in every practical sense, significant way. There for the most part are very nearly 1 billion by and large are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 0.51%. coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely critical. Theta organization value examination. Theta cost examination for 02 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of beneath. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Pretty further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, exhibiting that the especially complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $24,077,659,794, which for the most part is very huge. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Theta organization, which truly shows that Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. The Theta United States dollar moving fundamentally normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer, basically is showing a truly present moment, especially sell kind of sign, as the MACD line in every practical sense is moving underneath really signal line, which all things considered implies buy and large bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that Theta United States dollar medium-term support for the most part remained at 92 cents in a sort of enormous manner, RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29, and basically is attempting to in a real sense break out of the negative zone, while featuring huge negative strength, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84, following a value change